He thought it was just chest pain. But within minutes, part of his heart would begin to die. Every second without oxygen destroys more heart muscle, turning an ordinary moment into a life-threatening emergency. The real emergency isn't visible from the outside. It's unfolding deep inside his beating heart. Your heart beats over 100,000 times every day, without ever taking a single break. Even the heart cannot survive without oxygen delivered through its own tiny coronary arteries. But this healthy artery won't stay perfect forever. A silent danger has already begun to grow. These tiny LDL cholesterol particles travel through your bloodstream every single day, carrying fat throughout your body. When the artery's delicate inner lining becomes damaged, cholesterol finds a place to settle. Your immune system mistakes the trapped cholesterol for danger and immediately sends white blood cells to investigate. Instead of solving the problem, this battle slowly creates the fatty plaque that threatens your heart. Months become years, and the hidden plaque continues growing while life goes on as normal. With every passing year, the growing plaque steals more space from the artery carrying life-saving blood. Despite the narrowing artery, your heart continues beating faithfully, hiding the danger from you. During exercise or stress, the narrowed artery may struggle to deliver enough oxygen to the heart. Hidden beneath the artery lining, the growing plaque becomes increasingly unstable and dangerously fragile. Then, in a single heartbeat, the fragile plaque suddenly tears open, triggering a deadly chain reaction. Your body mistakes the rupture for a bleeding injury and immediately launches its emergency repair system. Within seconds, thousands of platelets stick together, forming a rapidly expanding blood clot. The expanding clot narrows the artery so severely that oxygen-rich blood can barely pass through. Now the heart muscle is starving for oxygen. This is the beginning of a heart attack. Without fresh oxygen, millions of heart cells immediately switch into survival mode, struggling to produce enough energy. As energy disappears, the affected heart muscle can no longer contract with its normal strength. Chemical distress signals flood the damaged tissue, triggering the crushing chest pain many patients suddenly feel. Those emergency signals race through nerves to the brain, where they are recognized as severe chest pain. The brain instantly activates survival responses, causing sweating, rapid breathing, fear, and an urgent need for help. With every passing minute, more heart muscle dies, making immediate treatment the difference between life and death. Doctors immediately record the heart's electrical activity, searching for unmistakable signs of a heart attack. Blood tests reveal proteins released by injured heart muscle, confirming that heart cells have been damaged. Now the mission is clear: restore blood flow before even more heart muscle is permanently lost. The balloon expands, the artery opens, and life-giving blood rushes back into the starving heart muscle. Blood is flowing again, but the battle isn't over. Millions of injured heart cells are still fighting to survive. Some heart cells recover, but those deprived of oxygen for too long are permanently lost forever. Over the coming weeks, your body replaces the damaged area with strong but inflexible scar tissue. The heart keeps beating, but the scarred area can never contract as powerfully as before. Recovery begins with healthy choices, prescribed medications, and cardiac rehabilitation to protect every future heartbeat. A heart attack may last minutes, but its effects can remain with your heart for the rest of your life. Smoking, high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, and inactivity quietly increase your risk over time. Healthy meals, regular exercise, and avoiding tobacco can dramatically reduce your risk of another heart attack. Never ignore chest pain, shortness of breath, cold sweats, nausea, or pain spreading to the arm or jaw. Recognizing the symptoms early and seeking emergency medical care immediately can save heart muscle and save lives. Even after surviving a heart attack, your heart continues fighting for every single beat that keeps you alive. From your very first breath, your heart faithfully beats billions of times without asking for a single reward. Every healthy choice you make today becomes another chance for your heart to keep beating tomorrow. Your heart has beaten faithfully since the day you were born. Protect it, because every heartbeat is a gift.